How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Let's get in. Launch your Instagram app. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the fun icon. Head over to the reels icon. Click on it. With that you will be directed to the reels page. At the moment there's no such option within Instagram to check recently watched reels. But what you can do is head towards the reel tab. Then scroll up. You're gonna find the recently watched reels. While scrolling up, you're gonna find all the reels that you have watched recently. In case when you scroll up, you are unable to find the reels that you have watched, what you can do is you can head over to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're gonna find different section. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option of your activity. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find this section of interactions. Under that you'll find the option of likes, comments. You can click on these options, and in this page you're gonna find the posts that you have liked, likewise the posts or the videos where you have commented. So if you have interacted with the video or the post, you can come to this section and check out these. Here you're gonna find the post. At the moment this is the only way, but if in the future Instagram comes up with the feature to check recently watched reels, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.